Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to activate your RealView graphics option in SolidWorks. First of all, for some graphic cards that are compatible with SolidWorks, RealView is activated by default. You can see this information at the link that I give you in the description. But for the other graphic cards, I will show you how to do this. Stay with me and don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't matter which version of SolidWorks you're using. At first, close your SolidWorks and go to search box of Windows and search Registry Editor. If you are using Windows 7, search regedit in the Run box. Look at this window. We want to know what's our current renderer for SolidWorks. Expand the user folder and in Software, find SolidWorks and click on latest version of SolidWorks you're using. Then look for Performance. Now expand the graphics and also the hardware. Here's the current folder. In this folder, you can see the renderer at right section. Double click to open the file and copy whatever is written here. It's your graphic card name. Okay, and now at hardware folder, find GI2 shader and expand it. Here we have some folders. If you're using NVIDIA graphic card like me, make a key on the highest number of NV folders and paste the one you have copied from current on the name of the key folder you have created. Now create a dword file and change the name to workarounds, just like that, and open it. Change the value data to 40,408 or 30,008. Switch the number and check which one gives you a better performance. I will make it 40,408 and make sure the base option is on hexadecimal and click on OK. If your graphic card is not NVIDIA, create the key in the other or the highest number of other folders. Now close this window and open SolidWorks. Let's open an engine assembly to see the differences. You can activate RealView graphic from Heads Up toolbar or View option display section. RealView gives models a realistic and dynamic representation without the need to render. Let's see the difference when RealView is on and when it is off. When RealView is on, in appearance we have more realistic representation, environment reflections, visible bump surface finish, and multicolored effects. But when it is off, we have basic colors and textures, and standard texture mapping. For the scenes, we can recognize self-shadowing from directional light, and floor shadows and reflections. But when it is off, we have basic soft shadow on floor and no reflective floors. In this video, I told you how to activate RealView and what's the effects. If the video was useful for you, like it, and if you have a problem activating RealView, write me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care, goodbye.